Sixth grade Excel, lesson number 13. We're going to be looking at time, clocks and time today. And so here we go. As the minute hand moves around the clock, the hour hand moves from 1 hour mark to the next. A colon is used to separate the hour on the left from the minutes on the right. Hopefully you all know that by now. If we write the time 4:35, we have a little colon right there that separates the hours from the minutes. Each hour mark on the face also represents 5 minutes. The clock on the right can be read as 2:35 or 35 minutes after 2, or because there are 60 minutes in each hour, 25 minutes before 3 o'clock. So here's a clock. This would be the 12 up here, 1, 2, etc. So you can see that the hour hand, which is the shorthand, is a little bit after the 2 o'clock, and the minute hand is pointing down here at 35 minutes after 2 o'clock. Okay, now let's try some problems with time here. We're going to do these together. I need you to see how we show our work on these and everything. So, number one, it is 2:04. What time will it be in 4 hours and 25 minutes? So everybody go ahead and write on your paper 2:04, and then it's 4 hours and 25 minutes after that. So you're going to write 4:25, and we're going to, since it's later, we're going to add these times together. And we can just plop the answer straight down onto our answer blank here. We don't have to write it twice. 4 plus 5 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. It'll be 6:29 in 4 hours and 25 minutes. You should have that written on your paper. What I'd like you to do is go ahead and try number 2 on your own. Even though I said we're going to do it together, we will. But go ahead and try number 2 on your own. Pause the video. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, Dean arrived at 3:20. He left at 8:40. How long was he there? We have to figure out how much time went by, so we're actually going to subtract on this one. If you didn't do that, go ahead and erase your work and show it this way. So we're going to subtract, and we get that he was there for 5 hours and 20 minutes. Now the next one says it is blank minutes before blank o'clock. Go ahead and pause the video, see if you can figure this one out. Make sure you show your work. All right, the way you should have done this, 60 minus 14 is how you show your work on that. We have to regroup. 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4. So it's 46 minutes to go until the next hour, because there are 60 minutes in an hour. And the next hour after 1 o'clock is going to be 2 o'clock. So it's 46 minutes before 2 o'clock. AM, or antemeridium, is the label for the time from 12 midnight up to, but not including, 12 noon. 8:05 AM is in the morning. PM, postmeridium, is the label for time from 12 noon up to, but not including, 12 midnight. 8:05 PM is in the evening. So what we're saying is that 12 a.m. is midnight and 12 p.m. is noon when you're eating lunch. All right? And here are a couple problems. I want you to see how we show our work on this. It says it is 11 a.m. What time will it be in 3 hours? Here's 11. What you do is you write the 11. You then show 3 hours forward, 1, 2, 3. And then you fill in 12, 1, and 2, and that shows you that 2 o'clock is 3 hours later. And if it's 11 a.m., 3 hours after 11 a.m. is going to be 2 p.m. It is 1 a.m. What time was it 3 hours ago? For a problem like this, you're going to write the 1 first, and then do 3 little lumps coming back. Then fill in the times, because before 1 o'clock is 12 o'clock, and then 11 and 10. So 3 hours ago is 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. because this is 1 a.m. right here. So as soon as we get to 11, this switches over to p.m. All right, so that's how you do those kind of problems. Thanks for watching.